The Dave app usually fails to connect to Payroll when the employer's payroll system blocks third-party bank linking, or when account verification inside the app hasn't fully completed. By the end, you'll know exactly why the connection fails, what it means when Payroll won't link, and the exact steps to fix it so your paycheck can flow through normally. Inside the Dave app, Payroll connection depends on two systems working together: your employer's payroll provider and your linked bank verification. If either side rejects the connection request, the setup will fail or stay stuck on loading. This is why it can look like everything is correct on your side, but the payroll link still doesn't complete. The most common issue is employer payroll restrictions. Some payroll systems block instant bank linking tools for security reasons, especially when they don't recognize the connection service being used. When that happens, the app can't pull your employer details, and the setup stops before payroll is added. Another issue is incorrect login credentials during payroll setup. If your payroll login uses outdated credentials or a mismatched employee ID, the connection will fail immediately. Even a small mismatch in email or login format can stop the verification process from completing. Account verification inside Dave is another key factor. If your bank account or identity verification is still pending, payroll linking will not finalize. The system requires a fully verified account before it allows any income connection to be added. To fix it, start by opening the Dave app and checking your account status for any verification prompts. Complete any identity or banking verification steps before trying payroll again. Then retrieve the payroll connection using the correct employer login details, and avoid using saved autofill information if it may be outdated. If it still fails, check with your employer's HR or payroll provider. Ask whether they allow third-party payroll connections, or if they require manual direct deposit setup instead. Many employers bypass app linking completely by providing a standard routing and account number form. If no option works, switch to manual direct deposit setup using your banking details instead of app linking. That method avoids payroll system restrictions entirely and is accepted by most employers. To sum it up, payroll connection failures usually come from employer restrictions, incorrect login details, or incomplete account verification. The fastest fix is completing verification inside the app, rechecking payroll credentials, and switching to manual direct deposit if the employer blocks linking tools. The next step is to confirm your verification status and ask your payroll department whether third-party connections are supported so you can choose the correct setup path. Like and subscribe for more clear fixes for payroll and banking issues that usually fail without explaining why.